दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So dear friends, very good morning. Today we will learn about exercise 4.4. But before that, let me summarize, because this is the last exercise, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. So I have told you many good things which will be helpful for you in class 11th also, 10th also, 10th, 11th. So let me summarize. I will focus mostly on the equation y equals to mx and plus c. M gives the direction, of the line, and C is called intercept. You know, this will be the first equation which will be taught in class 11th, but you are in class 9th. So why do I teach in class 11? Only for your understanding, for your interest. You know, different values of m will create different figures. Suppose when m is equal to 0, what we will get? Sir, y is equal to m is equal to 0. What will be the value of x? M is 0, so you will get y is equal to only c. C means y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. C may be all the values. This is exercise 4.4, question number 1. This is the question number 1. 4.4, page number 77. Give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation, first in one variable and second in two variable. So don't be confused in one variable and two variable. Later I will tell you. Y is equal to 3 in one variable means you will take only one axis y and you will take y is equal to 3. This is the y is equal to 3. You will draw only one line. This is the line, number line na. One variable means one line. Only you will draw the y and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like I am doing here. So at that time we will draw only this y axis and y is equal to, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, 8 and minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, like that. Minus 2, minus 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay. If you have to draw y is equal to c, you know, it's very easy for you. What? I'm not talking about x. Whatever be the value of x, it doesn't mean, because m is 0, y is equal to 3 is here. So in one variable means y is equal to 3, one variable means 1 point. One variable y is 3, y the value of 3, y may be the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is 3 rupees. So information is over. No algebra, no variable, only one variable. Cost of a pen is equal to 3 rupees. So at that time, this will be the point, your answer, y is equal to 3. This is the one variable, y is equal to 3. This is the one variable. When you take two variables, you know, two variables means this is the one variable and 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the one variable means you are getting 1 point. And when in two variable, the question was y is equal to 3. In two variable means no x is here. X is here, but m is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 means, you know, m is equal to 0 means 0 direction. 0 direction means x axis. I have told you, means, you know, this is the 0 degree. After that, this is 30 degree, 1. This is the 45, y m is equal to 1. This is m is equal to 1. This is m is equal to 1. Then after that, m is equal to 2. Then 3, then 4, 5, 100, 200, 300. This will be infinite. All are positive here. M equals to 1, y is equal to x. Y is equal to, this is x. Y is equal to x upon 2, somewhat half. Y is equal to x upon 3, y is equal to x upon 4, y is equal to, means all the values will be here and here, first and third. It may be line shift. Shift means line may be y is equal to x, y is equal to x plus 1, y is equal to x plus 3, y is equal to x plus 4, like this. Y is equal to x, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, like this. But the direction, I am talking about the direction, you know, this is the full positive direction. This, so in the line will be this and this. You will get, sir, it is coming here. Okay, it is coming, but the starting is on the first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant, all the lines. It is passing through the second quadrant. So this is the positive direction, some direction. But here the direction is 0 degree. M is equal to 0. You know, at that time 0, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. This is the line, na? This is 2, this is 4. So at that time, this is the first one variable and the two variables, means you will get a line, because any value of x you can take. Yes, this is the photo for the one variable, you draw it. This is for the first y is equal to 3 as one variable, means point. And this is the second figure, y is equal to 3 as a two variable. A variable means what? Y is equal to 0x and plus 3. So 0 means parallel to the x-axis. If we take x equal to 1, so you know x equal to 1, 1 into 0, it will be 0, y is equal to 3. X equal to 4, 4 into 0, 0. Means whatever you take the value, x equal to 1, so 3, y x equal to 2, so 3. X, whatever you take the value x, y will be constant. So that is why it is called constant also, y is equal to 3. It's two variable. Two variable means you are getting a line. Whatever be the value of x, it doesn't depends, only one value is there, y is equal to 3. So this is the line. So this is in the two variable. This is in the one variable. Y is equal to 3. The question is over. First number question. Yes. And similarly you can draw in question number 2. Give the expression. Okay. Give the expression. Question number 2. This was the question number 1, and I am solving question number 2. Give the geometrical representation of. The question is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. You are not looking here y. Okay, don't worry about that. X is equal to, solve x is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Just like it was, na? Y is equal to 3. So you are getting x equal to minus 9 upon 2. So this is the second part, second number question. So make the this one. So x equal to minus 9 upon 2 means minus 4 and half. This is minus 4 and half. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means this is 2, 4 and 6, 4 and half. This is, if you make only 1 point, so this will be one variable. 1 variable means x is the point. This is, if you take 2 variable means line, 1 variable means point. This is, and 2 variable means a line. 2 variable means line. Line means you don't have any y. Actually y is there. Have you seen ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here, you know, coefficient of x is 0. When coefficient of a is 0, you will get y is equal to something. You will get a is equal to 0, you will get what? Y is equal to minus c upon b. Is a constant, just like here y is equal to minus 3. When you will do y is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, you will get ax plus c, just like here ax. So this is actually 2x plus 0y plus 9 equals to 0. So y value doesn't depend. So for this, just I have drawn this variable now. So you will do like that and take another photo and then make a line. Line means whatever be the value of y, you will take x equal to minus 4 upon 2. This is for here any point, all the points, you know, whatever be the points, the y value changes, but the x value minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2. The y value changes, because if you change the y, 0 into y 0, so all the value of y will satisfy this equation, all the values. So this is similarly all the values of this, you know, means for x equal to 1 but y is equal to 3, x equal to 2, y is equal to 3, whatever be the value here, for this a is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, your line will be parallel to the x axis. When x equal to this coefficient 0, when this was the question. This is x minus 4 upon 2, this is x minus 1, this is x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus. So these all are x is equal to 1. This is what? X equal to 0. Yes, the equation of the y axis, it is not, the question is over. Only for the teaching I am telling. The equation of the y axis, this may be asked. The equation of the y axis, this is x equal to 0, means here fix x equal to 0, always fix. Y may be 1, 2, 3, 4, but x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. These all lines are parallel to the y axis, just like x equal to minus 4 upon 5. What about the, this is y is equal to 3, this is y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, means x axis equation y is equal to 0 for x axis, y is equal to 0, and y axis x equal to 0. So this is all. This was the question 4.4, question number 1 and 2. I hope you have enjoyed.